The average office worker gets about 120 emails every day. That's why you need effective email subjects. And for a rule of thumb, when in doubt, remember that clear and concise is always nice. Okay, let's take a look at these examples. The one on the left, it's just too much and it feels kind of spammy. The one on the right, it's specific. It also says that it's something important, so it's easy for someone scanning their emails to see that that needs more immediate attention. The use of all caps, please don't. Just don't. It sounds like you're shouting, it's aggressive, and honestly, it's not effective, just like yelling. However, if you look on the right, just capitalizing the word urgent and then the subject, so much more clear, so much more professional. Now, just putting something short and non-specific, for example, quick question on the left, it doesn't say anything. So it doesn't help the person who's looking at all of their hundreds of emails. It doesn't help them prioritize your needs. However, if you look on the right, question regarding safety protocols, it's specific. I understand as your colleague or as a person receiving the email where I can prioritize that in terms of replying. In our fourth example, this is the difference between being too general and being effectively specific. The one on the left doesn't really tell us anything. The one on the right, however, is awesome. We have the date, we have what kind of meeting, and then we have the most notable part of that meeting. Even if you cover 20 things, adding the most notable part will help it be easy to reference and easy to find. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what are some issues that you have with writing emails in English. And as always, check the video notes for even more tips, tools, and resources.